Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to have a very special evening. We'll be going for something that Turkey is famous for. Well, it's not only famous for coffee or grilled meat. There's a particular steakhouse brand that's actually well known in the world, and it's called Salt Bae. Well, for friends who are not sure of this brand, it has gone viral multiple times and is very expensive. So we're going to try today to see if it's actually worth the money. For starters, we are going to go with a light signature beef burger, but the light is a lie. The beef patty of this burger is big, is as big as my face. Look at this thickness of the burger. I'm going to cut it right now and show you guys how thick is the patty. But don't be fooled by this thick burger. It's very soft and gentle. A slight cut and it just slices right through. The beef meat is juicy and tender. Going in with some mayo and chili sauce, this is definitely a great starter of this steakhouse. Now, going on to the reason that we are here for. We are here for this lamb rack that's being served. Absolutely perfection. You watch how the chef is blading it. There is no waiting timing. The chef is just like a surgery. Every cut is precise with no extra movement. Every single swing will make a piece of the meat fall off. It's literally a show to watch as the chef keeps slicing off each piece of the lamb rack and placing them together slowly, forming a spiral meat mountain. This cutting style has been copied all over the world through social media, but watching here in Istanbul feels like the original show. I don't know about you guys, but I would love my meat to be served at medium like this, a bit reddish, but it looks delicious to me. How about you guys? Do you guys like medium meat? Maybe a bit raw or a bit more well cooked? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts on how you like your meat to be done. And now, keep watching, because after the chef has sliced this whole rack, he's gonna cut the next piece of meat. And the movement even more magical than what he is doing right now. Can you believe that? As the final piece of the rack is being done, right now we are going to the next stage of the show. The chef is slicing this whole piece of meat right in front of us. And right now he's gonna perform the signature move that got Salt Bae famous. He's slicing through this entire piece of meat, slice by slice, knife by knife, smoothly down. And after the slice is done, he will be plating this meat down using the knife, pressing it down, and finally a sprinkle of the salt. As what the Salt Bae is all about. The meat is all about salt. So here we are. This is the complete version of the entire cut meat, and it looks delicious. Time to move on and try a piece. And now it's my turn to perform the slicing. I take a piece of the meat, put onto my plate, very careful not to destroy the whole structure, because this whole thing is being built into a spiral little mountain. So next, a gentle slice and the meat is off. The meat is slightly red, but it's incredibly tender and it's glishing right with all the fats. And next it's my turn to learn from Salt Bae. I just sprinkle some sea salt and pepper to buff the taste, and I'm gonna go with it, use out the meat and dipping in with this salt to go for the second bite. It's only when the moment you put that meat into your mouth, then you will understand what is that slogan all about. No salt, no life. A good piece of meat needs to balance with salt. And I can tell you it tastes absolutely delicious. With the taste mixing from good meat, salt, pepper, and other fats that's gushing out, it is a marvelous bite. And now we will be finishing this meal with a full slice of medium well steak. Well, it's slightly a different cut, a little bit firmer than the previous rack, but it's still very tender, and a little bit of more the salt and pepper section is delicious. The final dish is definitely the dessert, which is well known in Turkey. Everybody will be having this with inside some pistachio, ice cream to go with it. This is a lovely dessert to have it. And that's the end of this video. What do you think about this Salt Bae? Do you think it's worth the money, or are you gonna stick to just a $5 kebab on the street? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Jay's Journey for more travel video and food vibe.